Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of January 9th, 2026. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product adder.
And I'm Clint, I'm Kit and Bundle Manager.
And let's go ahead and get started.
So starting off this week, we want to talk about a collection called Highlander from Studio E. For this collection, we've got the Flight Path table set kits. A note on those kits, they will be ready at the end of January. We are waiting on patterns. We also have 24-inch panels as well as the full collection of yardage. This collection features patterns such as cows, trees, cow silhouettes, leaf textures, cow hair, swirls, clouds, and plaid in colors of green, blue, brown, and cream. So make your projects utterly irresistible with Highlander.
Yeah, we got Spurs and Spirit from Blank Quilting. This is featuring ranch hand quilt kits, which note on the kits, they will be ready at the end of February. We are waiting on one last print from Blank that got delayed. We also got 24-inch panels, 36-inch pillow panels, fat quarter bundles, and the full collection of yardage. We got patterns of cowboys, horses, lassos, belt buckles, hats, stars, and horseshoes, and wood grain in colors of brown, gold, cream, black, and gray. So make sure to giddy up to your sewing machine with Spurs and Spirit.
All right, coming at you next, we want to talk about a collection called Dragonfly Mist from Timeless Treasures. You definitely want to hurry on this collection. It is nearly sold out already. With this collection, we have the filigree quilt kits, and a quick note on those kits. They will be ready at the end of February. We are waiting on one last print from Timeless Treasures that was delayed. We also have fat quarter bundles as well as 10-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, and the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this one are going to be dragonflies, flowers, and watercolor textures in colors of purple, blue, green, and pink. So if you find this collection beautiful, spread your wings and take flight with Dragonfly Mist.
All right, next up, we have two tote bag kits from Riley Blake. These are the Western Reflection tote bag kits. These are featuring Riley Blake panels and hand-dyed batiks. There are two different bags you can choose from. They are the Moonlit Trail and the Riverside Encampment. These are $79.96 each, so make sure to saddle up with the Western Reflections tote bag kits.
Next up on our list for you is Blackberry Bramble from Wilmington. For this collection, we've got 2.5-inch strips, crystal cascade quilt kits, as well as assorted yardage. For this collection, you're looking at patterns of florals, toile, dots, and stripes in colors of purple, gray, black, and cream. So if you're a fan of florals or even just, the deeper colors of purple and black like blackberries typically are, make your projects berry beautiful with Blackberry Bramble.
You like blackberries?
Oh yeah.
I'm more of a blueberry guy.
I mean, I'm that's the thing. I'm a berry guy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I no bananas. I like citrus and I like berries.
You don't like bananas?
I don't like bananas. Don't like apples. Don't like pears.
You don't like apples?
Don't like melons.
What?
It's literally just citrus and berries. Those are my two go-tos. I do occasionally enjoy a green apple, but those aren't even supposed to be eaten apples. Those are supposed to be bacon apples.
Wow, you don't even like apples with like peanut butter? Like slathering peanut butter on an apple?
No, I don't think I've ever done that. Not once.
Have you heard of people doing that?
Yeah, I have.
Okay,
I just don't think I have.
Next, we have a fat quarter bundle on sale. This is the Victorian What?
Gottle. It's just a gottle.
Next, we have a fat quarter bundle on sale. This is the Victorian Garden. What even is that word?
Oh. I think you're garden and bundling together.
Maybe. Next, we have a fat quarter Next, we have a fat quarter bundle on sale. This is the Victorian Garden. Oh!
Maybe you should just afterwards just have it just dubbed in with AI garden.
Next, we have a fat. Oh my.
This is the best episode we've ever filmed.
Next, we have a fat quarter bundle on sale. This is the Victorian Garden Batik Bundle. This is a lovely collection of 12 coordinating batiks inspired by a bloomin' garden with rich browns, creams, golds, and soft purples to make this bundle easy to sew and easy to love. The original price of this is $44.28, but we got it on sale for $21.88. So make sure to bloom into savings with the Victorian Garden Batik Bundle.
Now, as always, we want to mention our 1 yard cuts. These 1 yard cuts are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to grab. These 1 yard cuts are running at $9.96, and we are adding new prints all the time, so definitely check back. Multiples won't be continuous, so if you order 2 1 yard cuts, you are getting 2 separate 1 yard pieces. So if you've been looking for some new prints, buzz on over to our website to check out our 1 yard cuts.
All right, and as always, we have the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last episode to read on this week's episode. And this week we're going to read out 2 comments. The first one is from Margaret Lavinia, who says, Happy New Year! Looking forward to all the Fridays of 2026 and watching your videos. Thank you as always, Margaret, for leaving comments and watching our videos. We love reading all of your comments, and we hope you enjoy all of the videos we have in store for 2026. We're also making a bunch of social media like vertical short videos now on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So if you want extra content, go check those out as well. And then next we have Susan610, who says, time to take down the other end of the garland that's dangling and put away the Christmas decorations. Happy New Year. Well, Susan, as you can see, we didn't exactly get rid of the Christmas decorations. What we did is we kind of put out some winter themed stuff. I think it looks nice. You know, we added these little snowflakes right here. Also some little winter trees right there. We did, however, leave the elf, because he doesn't like it when we move him.
He'll leave on his own when he's ready.
When he's ready. In a couple of weeks, we'll put up some Valentine's decorations. I think those will look really nice. But in the meantime, thank you so much, Susan, for keeping us on track with our decorations, and I hope you enjoy.
All right, everybody, that's going to do it for us this week at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. We would like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that little bell for notifications. Leave a comment. You might be featured in Comment of the Week. Follow us on social media. All of our links are down in the description. And as always, we will see you next week.